Okay, so now we're going to walk through example 2. Okay, so we have negative x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus x plus 3 over 3x minus 6. Okay. And again, my first step is to find my LCD, my least common denominator. And to do that, I'm going to factor. So this factors to be x minus 2 and x minus 1. This factors to be 3 times x minus 2. So my least common denominator, I need each of these pieces. So I need an x minus 2, an x minus 1, a 3, and I already have an x minus 2, so I'm all set. And I'm just going to leave this in factored form. So for this fraction, I am only missing the 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3. And for this fraction, I'm missing x minus 1. So now I have 3 times negative x plus 1 over 3x minus 2 x minus 1 minus x plus 3x minus 1 over 3x minus 2x minus 1. Okay, and then I can subtract. So the denominator stays the same. And the numerator okay, and then I want to multiply this all out, expand it. So this is negative 3x plus 3 minus x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. Okay, now I'm going to distribute this negative. So I have negative 3x plus 3 minus x squared minus 2x plus 3, all divided by 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. And then simplify that, combine like terms. So I get negative x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. And then I can factor this, I'm going to start by factoring out a -1. So I get -1 times x squared plus 5x minus 6 divided by 3 times x minus 2, x minus 1. And then I'm going to factor this. So 5 and -6 is going to be +6 and -1. So this is -1 times x plus 6 times x minus 1 divided by 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. Okay, so then I can simplify that, and so I end up with this negative, you can just put anywhere. This is x plus 6 over 3 times x minus 2 is your final answer. Okay.